Hi traders, Anthony here. Okay, I've got the S&P 500, Bitcoin, US dollar index, VIX volatility index. I wanted to do this video. In fact, this is a members only video. This will be my thing for tonight. It's not an easy market at the moment due to this huge spike. Okay, we had a big move, Bitcoin, but look what's happening here. This is dangerous territory. Stay out of it. I won't be getting involved at all, not tonight. Okay, these moves are really extreme. And the thing with this is Bitcoin is generally fairly correlated with the S&P. S&P sells off, Bitcoin sells off. S&P spikes, Bitcoin spikes. S&P retraces, but look at the retrace compared to what happened here. These are risk assets. But money's pouring out of Bitcoin, cascading like a cascading waterfall. Well, it did. All right, now we've just traded into the London Open, and I'm starting to see a little bit of movement here to the downside. Everything is overextended, well and truly overextended. This thin leg has created a price gap here. Given how bearish this was, I can't see this holding here. And I'm thinking, a move back down into these levels here would definitely be something that we could expect. The whole Ukraine and Russian thing is throwing the markets completely out of whack. Just look at this move. It's extreme. This is the US dollar index. So weak dollar, we should see strength come into Bitcoin and strength come into the stock markets, which it has done. But is it sustainable? Is it going to hold up, or is it going to roll over and die? So guys, seriously, it's not an easy trade at the moment. I can't see any trade setups that I'd want to get involved with. It's really high risk. Just look at these moves, and then that, ridiculous. So I did a video on this, and it was all about, well, if this holds here, we look for the rotation and then the break retest and fail, we trade out, or it could go either way. This to me looks like it's going to find a bit more downside, and if that's the case, then I think Bitcoin will head south. Very tricky situation at the moment. London has just kicked off. Wait for the dust to settle and just see what comes out of it. The other thing is, towards the end of the week, we could see bigger players closing their positions as well, so that could be a thing. So at the moment, guys, there's no trade signals, and my thing would be stay out of it, sit back and just wait, see how the markets unfold. Okay, with that, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.